Okie dokie. In our previous video effort here, we took a look at what it means to just simply plot coordinate pairs on the plane. And that means we're just putting dots down at the points on the plane where the coordinate pairs live. Easy enough, working with the x coordinate and the y coordinate in the two dimensions to locate a specific spot. Let's expand that skill set now to draw a graph of an equation. Now, we don't know what the equation is in this case, but we've just been given 2 points here that satisfy the equation. So positive 3 for x, positive 5 for y will satisfy this, whatever this equation is. Minus 4 for x, minus 7 for y will also satisfy this equation. And we're simply asked to graph the solution set for the equation using these 2 points. Well, easy enough. We start out with a point, positive 3, positive 5, and we remember how to do this. We're going out 3 points in the positive direction for x, and then we will go up 5 points in the positive direction for y, and we will locate there the point, and we're going to put them in parentheses because that's the format for this, 3, 5. And then we're going to do exactly the same thing with our second coordinate pair. We're going to plot that point. It's in the negative direction in both variables, so we're going over negative 4 in the x direction, and then we head down into negative y territory till we get to negative 7, and we locate the point. What is the point? Well, the point is minus 4 and minus 7. Now, the difference between simply plotting points and graphing the solution set is that then what we need to do is draw a perfectly straight line, which I am doing right now, appearances to the contrary, a perfectly straight line through both points. And then we put an arrowhead on either end of the line to indicate that that line continues on into infinity or eternity or whatever you want to call it. So when you're working on paper graphing, it's a lot simpler to set the ruler down and draw the straight line. My tablet doesn't really allow me that facility at this moment, so we have this rather artistic looking straight line between 2 points. But what is important here is that when we take a look at this, we look at that line that's got the arrowhead on both points, and we say, there we are. That's the solution set for the equation that is satisfied by both of these points. And that's as far as we need to go in this particular exercise. As we move along, we'll begin to discover more and more about the relationships between ordered pairs, solution sets, equations.